All right, hey guys, I recently got a question regarding how to insert audio into a PowerPoint presentation. So we are here in PowerPoint, and I'm going to show you now how to insert the audio and the different options that are available to play the audio back once you are ready to present. So we are here in PowerPoint, and we're going to want to jump to the Insert ribbon or Insert tab. And under the Insert tab in PowerPoint, we're going to move all the way over here to the right side of the ribbon and select the Insert Audio option. This option, once you click on the drop-down, will give you two choices. The first choice is to directly select an audio file from your computer to insert. And the second option is to record audio over your presentation. You can see how that would be helpful if you wanted to pre-record the narration for your presentation. You could use that feature to do so. We're going to go ahead and pull a simple music track from my computer by clicking on audio from my PC. The browse window will appear, and we are going to browse. And once you insert it, you'll notice this audio icon that shows up in your slide. Now, this audio icon and the controls down below can be moved off to the side. Obviously, it does not need to be visible during your presentation. I'll go ahead and just leave it here for now and show you the different options that are available. Now, let's go ahead and actually try something different. Instead of putting it on the title screen, I'm going to go ahead and undo this addition. Let's jump down to our second slide and insert the audio here. And once again, we're going to go back to Insert. We're going to go down to the ribbon on the far right. It's going to say Audio. We're going to select an audio track from my computer. And we'll go ahead and select that and select Insert from the Insert Audio dialog or Windows Explorer window. The audio icon appears on the slide. And now what we wanted to do is in the presentation, we have a couple additional options for playback. Up here on the far left, you can see that we've got some options to trim where we want this track to begin and end, and also whether we want the volume to be at different settings, and if we want the track or the audio in the slide to begin automatically or only play when it's clicked on. Those are additional choices that we have here under the Start option. I'm going to go ahead and select automatically so that when it jumps to this slide, I would expect the audio track to begin to play in the background is what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and select Play in Background. And this will actually make it play, as you see here, continuously across all of the slides in the background. So actually, I'm not going to select that one. What I want this audio clip to do is to just play during this slide. And when I jump to the next slide, I want it to stop. So those should be the options. And it looks like I've got some additional settings here for how this is presented. I probably don't want this audio icon right there in the middle of the slide. So let's see if we can hide that. That will make that hide. I don't want it to play across slides as we mentioned earlier. And I think this should be sufficient. I'm going to go ahead and add an additional slide so we have something to transition out of so that we can ensure that the audio stops on the subsequent slide. And now we're ready to test out the inserted audio in this presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and play the slideshow now, and I should be able to hit play from beginning. And here we are in the slideshow. Here you see the main screen, and I'm going to go ahead and jump to my slide now that has the audio track inserted. All right, and you'll see that once I jump to my slide with the audio does start to play automatically, which is what we wanted. Got some little Christmas grooves going on here. All right, Now, the way that we have it set up, once I jump to the next slide, the audio should stop, since we wanted the track to just play only for the slide, the active slide, and we don't want it to continue to loop or play in the background. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit next, and when I do that, sure enough, the music stops. All right, guys, I hope you found this short tutorial on how to insert audio into your PowerPoint presentation helpful, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.